Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. So for this one we can put like this. So 4ax we can put into number 2 multiplied by 2a and s. So this one we need to add about 4a squared. That means we need to minus about 4a squared in here. So this one I will put outside negative and negative. We have positive. Next, we have the formula in here. That is about a squared minus 2ab plus b squared equals to a minus b to the power of number 2. So, we need to transform this one into this one. So, we have 2a minus s everything to the power of 2. So we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about 2a minus s equal to 2a sine t, because if I put this one gone here, we have 4a squared sine t squared. 4a squared, we can do about factorization. 1 minus sine t squared, we change by cosine t squared, and later that we simplify by ds. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have negative ds equal to 2a cosine t dt. First derivative of s, we have number 1, but we have the negative. That's why we have negative ds. This one, that is about the constant, so you got number 0 in here. First derivative of sine t, we have cosine t. So because we still have s, that means I will put this one go to the left, negative s go to the right. So I will put this one gone here. ds we change by this one, but we have the negative, so I will put negative go to the right. And I will have negative 2a, I will put in here, cosine t dt. S we change by this one. So this one we have 4a squared sine t squared. 4a squared, we can do about factorization. One minus sine t squared, we change by cosine t squared. The square root of 4a squared cosine t squared, we have 2a cosine t. And now we need to simplify 2a cosine t on numerator and denominator. So the negative will change the sign of this one. So the integration of sine t, we have negative cosine t. This one we have negative 2at, and I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by 2a. So we have t equals to arc sine of this one. So I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.